If your home doesn't smell fresh no matter how much you clean, I'm going to show you a trick that will make it smell like expensive luxury for an entire month. And the best part is that it costs almost nothing and uses items you already have at home. First, grab any container. A small bowl or jar works perfectly. Fill it about 3/4 full with coarse salt. The salt acts as a base that absorbs and slowly releases the fragrance over time. Now add 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. The alcohol serves two purposes. It helps the scent spread throughout the room naturally, and it also repels insects. Mix this together well. Next comes the star ingredient, fabric softener. Pour enough to cover the salt completely. You can use any scent you like, and I actually recommend using different fragrances for different rooms. Mix everything together until it's well combined. Finally, add a few whole cloves on top. These are natural scent boosters that help the fragrance spread even further. Now place your container in any room: bathroom, bedroom, living room. The mixture will release fragrance continuously for up to 30 days. I've had this one in my bathroom for about 4 months, and it still smells amazing. And even with daily use, it keeps smelling like freshly cleaned laundry. If you have pets, this completely neutralizes urine smells as well. After cleaning day, I keep these containers around the house, which extends that fresh, clean feeling for weeks instead of just hours. Try it, and your home will smell expensive and welcoming every single day for the cost of a few household items.